Vehicle damage is an everyday challenge for fleet operators. Whether in car rental, shared mobility, or last-mile delivery, vehicles are used by multiple drivers in changing environments, making it difficult to identify when damage occurs and who is responsible. As a result, manual inspections become mandatory. This process is time-consuming and expensive, with high margin for human error. Minor damages often remain unnoticed, while determining responsibility can be challenging. This leads to a lack of responsibility amongst drivers, inefficient claims processes, increased operational costs, vehicle downtime, and dissatisfied customers. Our highly precise damage detection solution addresses these challenges by combining Teltonika's FTC887 tracker with Carvalu's market-leading AI platform, trained on more than 1 billion kilometers of real-world driving data. FTC887 continuously collects high-resolution motion and acceleration data, capturing vehicle dynamics and impact-related events in real time. This data is securely transmitted to the Carvalu AI platform, which analyzes movement patterns and distinguishes actual damage-causing events from normal driving situations. When a damage event is detected, drivers are automatically contacted and requested to provide vehicle photos, enabling automatic specification of damage type and affected parts by highly advanced image recognition AI. The system identifies new damage, generates detailed claim-ready reports, and supports streamlined repair and fully automated claims processes. With highly precise damage detection solution, businesses can reduce costs and administrative workload, improve driver accountability, accelerate claims handling, and gain better visibility into vehicle condition throughout its life cycle. Automate your fleet management processes with AI-powered damage management.